Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add wallpaper in laptop. You are going to right-click on the desktop and then click on the personalize option. Here you are going to open the background section. When you do, in personalize your background, you can see some options available to change the wallpaper. By default this picture, you can click on any of the available images and the change will be automatic in the wallpaper of your laptop. If you want, click on Browse Photos, select an image so that it is the wallpaper on the system. Other options you can select are solid color. When you do, in the color palette, you can click on one of the colors so that that color will be the wallpaper on the laptop. In addition to this, you can choose the slideshow option. In this case, your own images will be used, and you can configure some parameters in their presentation as a background. Finally, select the Windows Spotlight option. With this option, day by day the wallpaper will be renewed based on the image that Microsoft has in Spotlight. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.